If you look inside your car and think, how do I actually clean all of this properly? Hi, you're in the right place. Air vents, cup holders, seat gaps, dashboards, and all those hard to reach spots. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to clean your entire car interior from top to bottom. Right now on Amazon, some of the best-selling car interior cleaning tools are on serious discounts. So I've picked 6 products that people actually use and that truly get the job done. If you want your car interior to look clean, fresh, and detailed like a pro, let's get started. Product number 1 is the PULIDIKI car cleaning gel, normally priced at $8. It's now down to just $6.29, which means a 30% discount. This cleaning gel is perfect for hard-to-reach areas inside your car and anywhere like air vents, cup holders, door handles, dashboards, and tight cracks where dust always hides. You simply press the gel into the surface, lift it up, and it pulls the dirt out instantly. It's made from natural materials, safe for car interiors, and even has a light lavender scent. The best part is that it's reusable. You can keep using it until it turns dark. It's not just for cars either. You can also use it on keyboards, remotes, laptops, and other dust-prone surfaces at home or in the office. If you want a quick, satisfying way to clean your car interior without tools, this deal is absolutely worth checking out. The link is right below. Product number 2 is the PARAROSE high-pressure car cleaning gun, normally priced at $37.89. It's now down to $29.89, which means a 21% discount. This tool is perfect for deep car interior and exterior cleaning. It blasts dust and dirt out of air vents, seat gaps, carpets, floor mats, dashboards, and tight corners in seconds. It connects to an air compressor and comes with multiple nozzle attachments, so you can clean both delicate surfaces and hard-to-reach areas without scratching. The aluminum body and copper connectors make it durable, reliable, and built to last. If you want professional-level car detailing at home with less effort and better results, this tool is definitely worth checking out. The link is right below. Product number 3 is Meguiar's Last Touch Spray Detailer, normally priced at $32. It's now down to just $25.49, which means a 20% discount. This spray detailer is designed for quick and easy shine. You simply spray it on and wipe it off, and your car instantly looks cleaner, glossy, and more refreshed. It safely removes dust, fingerprints, smudges, and light surface dirt without causing swirls or scratches. Thanks to its special lubricating polymers, it's perfect for maintaining your car between washes or right before heading out. It also enhances existing protection and gives your car that true showroom finish. Plus, when diluted, it can be used as a clay bar lubricant for deeper detailing work. If you want fast results, professional shine, and a reliable detailing spray trusted by car enthusiasts, this one is definitely worth checking out. The link is right below. Product number 4 is the THINKWORK car cleaning kit with high-power vacuum. Originally priced at $47.99, it's now just $39.99, giving you a 17% flash deal. This all-in-one car detailing kit includes a powerful 120-watt vacuum, multiple brushes, cleaning gels, microfiber towels, and a windshield cleaner. It easily removes dirt, crumbs, dust, and pet hair from seats, carpets, vents, and tight spaces. With its LED light and compact storage bag, it's perfect for quick, deep interior cleaning at home or on the go. If you want a complete car cleaning solution in one kit, this deal is worth checking out. The link is right below. Product number 5 is the Kokuzax 8E-piece car interior detailing kit. Normally priced at $14.99, it's now just $12.49, which means a 17% flash deal. This compact detailing kit includes multiple soft brushes, a dual-head vent brush, reusable cleaning gel, a microfiber towel, and a storage bag. It's designed to safely clean dashboards, air vents, seats, cup holders, and tight gaps without scratching surfaces. The 860 non-sticky cleaning gel reaches deep cracks to grab dust and crumbs and can be reused multiple times. If you want a simple, affordable kit for quick interior cleaning, this one is a solid pick. The link is right below. Product number 6 is the Meguiar 32-piece car detailing kit. Normally priced at $21. It's now down to $19, which means a 10% flash deal. This all-in-one kit includes drill brush attachments, interior detailing brushes, windshield cleaning tools, polishing pads, wax applicators, and a wash mitt. Everything you need for deep interior and exterior cleaning. The drill brushes make it easy to clean tires, wheels, floor mats, and hard to remove dirt, while the soft brushes handle dashboards, vents, and tight corners safely. If you want a complete car cleaning setup without buying tools separately, this kit is a great value. The link is right below. Don't miss Amazon's daily deals. Hit subscribe and stay updated with the best discounts every single day. And if you want a specific product, just drop a comment below. I'll find you the best price.